through how to find the URL that your form resides on, or the link to the page that your form is on. So within the form builder here, you're going to find your first opportunity to find the URL to your form by just hitting publish. So once you've built your form, you can also customize your design here, hit publish, and after you save the form there, you're going to see this option here, copy form link. Click that, there's your form URL, go to a new tab, paste that, and you'll see the default design of your form here. If you want to build a custom design, or you want to see the URLs for various different designs of your same form, you can close this, go to the Advanced Designer tab, and for each of the designs that you have for your form, you'll see the page URL here in the page URL column. And last but not least, if you're just on the Manage Forms page, you've already built your form, we have a column named Pages Using. Simply click on that number and you'll be presented with the page URL for each form design. So that's how you find the URL that your form resides on in Indition Forms. I hope that helps you out, and thanks for using Indition.